then my mom, meanwhile, my dad, he died in 2020, so it's 2022 right now. He died at the end of 2020. He was 96, so he had a nice, long, good life. Or was he 95? I can't remember. Anyways, my mom had moved in with my sister, and that was not working out. She was there for 14 months, and basically I had to go pick her up and bring her here, which I had never, ever even thought that I would ever be in the position of being a caretaker. Like, I just thought, you know, I am, let me get a little drink here. Like, I am like the second to the youngest, you know, a bunch of kids, and that, you know, there would be somebody else that would, you know, that would take care of my mom or my mom and dad or whatever, you know, considering when they got older. And okay, so that's my big toe. This is my thumb. And I don't, should I use this one or this one? Lightning bolt. Yeah, I wanted to use the lightning bolt probably. I don't know. Do I have a lightning bolt? Well, I have a lightning bolt there. I don't really need, that's kind of a lot of black. I mean, this is a little bit less black. So I think if I'm not going to be using one of them, I think it's this one I'm not going to be using. All right, so let me put this one away. Yeah, so last December, so December 2021, my daughter, we took my daughter's van and her two youngest kids. They're very good traveling companions, luckily. Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, need 6. Okay, which one do I not want? One, probably this one right here. Yeah, we made like a turnaround trip, like an 8-day travel. Got back a week before Christmas, and taking at the time, 91-year-old cross country. Yeah, that was something. Something we'll never forget. Okay, when you're working with these, you don't want to get like fingerprints on, so this is like the anchor method you can use, right? To like go like that and then lay it on like this, like so. Okay, did I already use that red? Oh yeah, I did. Sorry, again, ADHD, I forget things pretty quickly. So, oh, okay, that's gonna be cute. That's gonna be cute. I wonder if people will notice what it is. All right, so, and sometimes you can just like squish it together, leave that for a little while so it has time to start curing. If you use Color Street and you have any issues with like shrinkage, then that might be a good idea to do. Actually, the best, oh my gosh, that's freaking cute. That is very cute. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for possibly for my toes, so just set that aside. I love it. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Which one was I going to be using? What did I do? What did I do? I can't remember what I was thinking about for this one. I don't want to cover up the red, so I think I'm going to use, must be that the plan was to use this. Yep, think so. I think that'll work out the best. So it was hard, to say the least. I am just now getting back to like, hey, I need to, you know, like live my own life, right? You cannot live your life for other people. And you know that they say, you know, I've always read about never thinking it would be me. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is going to be awesome. I never thought, you know, caretaker, but you read about like caretakers like getting burnt out or whatever. And that is, I could see how that would be very easy to do. I have been pretty darn stressed out quite a bit. But lately, I've been thinking, you know what? She needs, of course, she lives here with us, right? So it's 24-hour-a-day job. But, you know, I need to get back to what I do, like not worried about what if she is, you know, entertained or whatever. Because unfortunately, she has not kept up with some of the things like she used to do. I mean, she used to knit, she used to sew, you know, she was actually a seamstress. She even did that as a job. I love it. I do love it. Okay, this is good. This is good. But yeah, so she doesn't want to, you know, doesn't want to do any crocheting or nothing. I mean, sometimes she will sit in her room, which is unfortunately kind of a dark, you know, the way it's situated on the, you know, the house. It never gets really bright and sunny. And so she will like sit there in the dark, not doing anything, and which really used to bug me. And I would try to, you know, like I'd worry about her, and that would take up a lot of mental energy. But if that's, you know, that's what she wants to do, and now took me a while, but figured out if she wants something, she will let me know, and she will. So I do not have to worry about that. All right, so I think, was I doing, okay, if I do it, did I do it on the wrong side? Okay, I want that. I might be able to do it like that. Okay, because my nails are really short. So yeah, she needs to fit into my life. So I'm like, I need to have office hours, right? Office hours. Oh, almost forgot what I was doing again. All right, so let me concentrate on it. Let me see. Should I go this way? Can I go that way? I don't know. Should I just not even worry about it and just go like this? Yeah, I'll just not worry about it. Does not matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Yeah, and you know, some days she will watch TV all day long. Some days she will take naps, like on and off all day long. And oh my gosh, it was stressful though. Like she ended up in the hospital 2 weeks after she got here, which actually I don't think she has ever been in the hospital, like ever, except when she had all of her children. And then she ends up in the hospital 2 weeks after we got here. Like I had not even changed anything, you know, her insurance or anything by that time. It was crazy, crazy, crazy. But anyways, enough of that. I want to concentrate on the future. My daughter and I, the one that had moved here originally, oh my gosh, look at you guys. It's fantastic. And like all of a sudden, I'm the yellow and the red. I love it. Oh my gosh. You guys, can you imagine if you went and had this done in the salon. And you're like, oh, it doesn't look right there. Well, that is because it's not done yet. But as you can see, it is perfectly dry, but it's not cured. So, oh, I know I was telling you before. Best time to do it is right before bed, because then you won't have it, you won't be like messing with it. You're like, ooh, let me see, let me get that little thing, blah, blah, blah. Right before bed is the best time. But yeah, you could do just about anything right now. You know, you don't want to be like using your nails to dig up something, but of course you don't want to be doing that anyways. Now on your other hand, if you don't, you know, you could do it any way you want. If I wanted to like switch it up and have my other hand be like a little different, I could do that. I could totally do that, but you know what? I think I'll just keep on going like this. So anyways, yeah, so it's ups and downs. It's ups and downs. She has memory issues. So that's usually the only thing that will give me problems. Like she forgets that she took a shower, and she'd be like, when am I ever gonna get a shower? I'm like, you took one today? No, I didn't. I'm like, oh my goodness. Yeah, so that's that. But we have the grandkids come over and spend the night every weekend, you know, unless something else is going on. And so she gets to see them then, and of course we get together for you know, birthdays. There's always somebody having a birthday. Okay, so I already got that one done. Yay! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, what did I do? Should I use that one there? No? Okay. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it the same way I did the other ones, or that side. And so yeah, we see the grandkids every weekend. This weekend, like I said, it's August, so wait a minute, is that completely different? Oh no, I see it. I'm all of a sudden noticing that other thing. I'm like, what the heck? No, it's the same. This weekend, I was texting my other daughter, who has she has four daughters, but you know, two of them, one's 14, one's 11, and the other kids are, right now, they are 7 to 15. So we invited the two older girls to come to go swimming with us, which is, I don't have a pool here, but we have a pool in town, like a community pool, you know. It's very nice, very nice. And it's only open, like, this is Missouri, so it's only open until, like, they keep it open until Labor Day, and then no matter what, they shut it down. And like, yeah, it could probably stay open a little bit longer, but actually, as soon as it turns October here, it's, I mean, you can have some really hot days in October, but when it changes, it changes. Okay, you see what I just did? It got stuck to that. Well, yikes, yikes, yikes. All right, things happen. That's fine. No problem. Yay, look at you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute. I'm glad I did the red though. I like that. I think it's kind of like boom, boom, pow, pow. I mean, that's what it's supposed to be like, right? Okay, so I said that is for the toenails. So I'm going to show you the whole entire thing here so I can see it too. And then when I do my toenails, under normal circumstances, I would just like use, like I said, perforate around using that. But I'll just use this when I put those on, so I don't mess up these nails. So I can show you what's happening. Now, I almost messed up. Yeah, let's put the space on first. All right. Good idea. Good idea. All right. Okay, so, all right, so actually I want to keep that part. Possibly for the toenails. Although I have all those that I did not use, so you have plenty. Even if you're usually like, even if your nails are long, you still have plenty. And it's so funny because some people are scared to use them on their toes, and I do not know why. Like, why would you want to, first of all, either paint your toenails and you're like, oh, it's so easy. Well, you still have to wait for them to dry, you know, so you don't get them all messed up, right? And then you can never get them as nice as, you know, even though you're using, you know, one hand for both things, you can never get them as perfect as this. There's no way. You know, so either that or go around with nothing on your toes. Like, ew, and I'm sorry if I am, you know, talking about you, if you go around with nothing on your toes. Believe me, I did it for years. I was never one to do my nails. Like, almost never. And if I did, you know, I was like, it'd start, of course, chipping the next day usually. And then I would go around with chipped polish and like start peeling it off, and it's like, oh my gosh, I did not take care of my nails at all. So being a Color Street stylist, it kind of forced me to start taking care of my hands and my nails. And so that is a great thing. All right, so put that on there. Oh, look, it's like polka dots. Oh, it is a little bit different. I like it. I like it a lot. And now, yeah, I'm kind of just like using the side rather than this because this is not cured yet. It takes at least a half hour, sometimes probably longer. You don't want to use your nails. You should not be using your nails as tools anyways, okay? So just stop that. But with Color Street, I mean, first of all, you don't have to go to the salon. So you don't have to waste a ton of money at the salon. You know, it's real polish. Anything that will, that real polish will stick to, you can use Color Street for. But I never enjoyed going to, you know, sitting there forever and paying all the money, paying a tip, and you know, all of that time. I did not like it. So now I can do it at home and go, oh my gosh. And then when I get compliments, like people are going to compliment this. I mean, if you saw this, wouldn't you think, oh my gosh, how in the world did she do that? Yay, look at this, woohoo! I am so happy, I am so happy. I'm gonna get so many compliments. Love it.